Okay, so as you guys have guessed, well, you didn't guess at all, but we're in Sydney, and we're just going to do a little bit of sightseeing, see what we can find, and show you what's around here. Right now. So we're on the train right now, and we're going to be checking out some shops. We're going to be going to this one place called Newtown, which is kind of like a hippie, trendy place. Can't stop doing that. So we're in Newtown, so let's see what we can find here. One of my friends suggested this place to me. Does that look like a functioning hotel right there? With the chip paint and everything. So I've heard that Sydney has the second worst housing crisis in the world, behind Hong Kong. It's pretty much unaffordable to buy if you want to buy a home in Sydney. And I think since COVID, their real estate prices have gone up about 30%. And I think it's kind of from a standpoint of they just can't build anymore because of the Blue Mountains are kind of blocking a lot of the areas. So it's kind of just like there is so many people that want to buy here, but not a lot of housing to satisfy the demand. So this definitely has a Melbourne feel, or is it the other way around? I don't know. But in Melbourne, these streets like this that had these architecture alongside the streets, they usually had a tram running through the street. So minus the tram, but same kind of feeling. So we just stumbled upon this cute little cafe here in Newtown. So very unique. Never seen anything like this. I wonder where the cash register is. I don't see anything like that. And then here's a bench. Coffee? You guys want a coffee? Yeah, we'll get some coffee. Just having a look? Yeah, sure. I'll take a coffee. Yeah. Did you want a coffee? Sure. What would you like?
Just small,
Black coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah? Anything for you? Yeah? I'm good, but
cool.
yeah.
No worries. Do you just want espresso or?
like small black.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, no worries. Water and coffee.
The gentleman gave my wife a free coffee because he didn't have change for the 10 she had. So Parliament Cafe, coffee shop in Newtown. One thing that's really refreshing is there are no flies here. In the Northern Territory, whenever you just step outside, the flies are you just get swarmed. Oh, there's a beautiful view of the city right there. Looking pretty active today. Luna Park. Wonder if there's anything worth seeing here. I'm not that big of an amusement park guy. So which rides would you guys do? I actually kind of like the Ferris wheel. I always thought that was fun. Sydney Harbour Bridge. Crossing it. You know, I didn't think I'd feel like walking this bridge, but it's not too bad. It's not too windy either. It's actually not a bad walk. Oh, right up there. That's where people can go and walk to the top of the bridge, but I think you need to pay extra. Well, I didn't need to pay to come on here, but you need to pay money to go on that part. I think it's about like $100 or something like that. I'm not sure. Oh, here's a nice view of the harbor. Mission accomplished. Cross the Sydney Harbour Bridge by walking. What a feat. Alright, so they just gave us a menu here, and this is what they got. So they got lamb baram, lamb stew cooked with aromatic spices, balsa lamb, right there, Yemeni prawn curry. Oh, that actually looks pretty good. But I'm just recovering from a stomach virus, so I kind of gotta take it easy on my stomach. Don't want to get anything too spicy. Wow.
Okay.
So they gave us some lamb broth as an appetizer. So let's see what this tastes like. Not bad. So we went and ordered the lamb, the Mendy lamb right here. So I'm still kind of feeling under the gun. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna have the little bit of the rice, and my wife, she's gonna have the meat. But if you see right here, we got everything. You know, they have the lamb, they have the rice, they have the, I don't know, carrots, onions. All right, so here it is right here. Oh, they got the bone right there, and looks good. I'll take a little bite here. Pretty good. Alright, so now we're entering the Rocks Marketplace, which is adjacent to Circular Quay, which is where all the ferry boats are and the Opera House. But there's a really good market here. When we were here last time, that just has miscellaneous products, miscellaneous foods and stuff like that from various vendors. So if they have it today, I'm gonna try to get it for you guys, see what they have here.
I mean, I don't think you like going on the line.
This is kind of cool walkway. Figured I'd film it. So we're about to enter the Rocks Marketplace. Just kind of check out what they have here.
That's why.
Yeah, but you can wear like a long sleeve top underneath, but you gotta jump them.
I don't know. I don't know what they're doing. Oh, making that candy, I guess. This is a nice little alleyway leading from the Rocks into Circular Quay. Circular Quay. Home of the Opera House, right out there. This place is always pretty much packed. If you don't like crowds, Sydney would be the absolute worst place. Look at how many people are out. So many people out today. Here we go. Check that site out. Nice view of the Opera House. I want to see if we can see what it looks like inside. Wow, this place is just packed. So lively. There's the bridge where we walked across a little bit earlier. So from what I'm told, I heard that the Opera House was, the architect actually never saw it in person. I think that he passed away before he was able to see it in person. I think his two kids did though. This is what the front Opera House looks like inside. Looks like a big restaurant. I think it's the other ones in the front, the larger ones that actually have actually have performances. Can't even go past this. There's a gate. Look at this. See? There must be some kind of performance. Alright, that was fun. Saw a little bit of the Opera House. One final look. There it is. Say bye-bye, Opera House. Bye-bye. So, we're in St. James right now. And of all the stations in Sydney, I love this station. I love the colors of it. For some reason. Like right here. It just looks very old-timey. I don't know who those guys are. I'm pretty sure they're the architects of this place. But it looks pretty clean around here. See? Very nice. I know green and white are not that big of a colors, but I don't know. I just like the station. It looks pretty neat. Very good vibes, like 1920s vibes. Okay, so the reason why we went to St. James is to get to St. Mary's Cathedral. So last time I was here, this is the third time I've been in Sydney. We've been in Sydney. We came across this really awesome church, really beautiful. It kind of reminded me of St. Peter's Cathedral in Melbourne, but like St. Peter's, you can go in and check it out, and it's really awesome architecture. And it's next to a really cool park. I don't know what the name of this park is, but you can see really awesome fountains.
These young people were killed by Iranian government.
Oh, really?
You can condemn this action by signing a petition, please.
What will my signature do, though?
Your signature is important.
Okay.
Yeah.
How come? I'm just curious. Like, how come?
Yeah, my friend will help you.
Hi.
Hi. What does my signature do?
Yeah,
Like-
your signature, because this petition goes to Australian Parliament.
Oh, okay.
That's why.
Oh, does it matter if I'm like not Australian?
Doesn't matter.
No.
Would you like to sign?
Well, no capital punishment. Yes, freedom of speech. Are you guys from Iran? Oh. So if I'm American, can I go to Iran or no? Would the government put me in jail if I went to Iran if I was American?
Don't go right now.
No?
Have you, I am sure you heard the attempt to kill Mr.
Oh, Mr. Trump?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Do you know that was organized by Iranian government?
It was?
Yes.
Oh, I did not hear that. I did not know that it was organized by the
Okay,
Iranian government.
now, then in your convenience time, contact your friend in US
Okay.
and they will tell you
All about it.
3 days before attempt to assassination,
Okay.
FBI
Oh,
yes.
oh, okay. Okay. I will do that. I will do that.
Fantastic.
Okay. Thank you. Thank
Have
you.
a good one.
All right, you too. Bye. Bye. Here we go. St. Mary's Cathedral right here. So last time I was here, really awesome interior. So let's check it out. Okay, this is St. Mary's Cathedral. So It really does have, it really looks a lot like St. Peter's Cathedral in Melbourne. It has these really beautiful quayways here. I think this church was built in 1927. I'm not sure, but I did see that there is a mass tonight. It's Saturday at 6 p.m. So it's about 4 p.m. now. So there's signs in here that says you're not allowed to take photos or video during mass. So I guess we're lucky in that we can do that right now without getting pestered to turn off the camera. I think this is maybe where they perform the baptism. Unlike the cathedral in Melbourne, there's no store selling merchandise. Alright, so we're going to a little reserve called Barangaroo, and from what I understand, it's kind of like how they preserve things before Captain James Cook and the European settlers arrived in Sydney. This has turned into a longer walk than I expected or wanted. Alright, so over there looks like there's a little movie, a little showcase about what went on. The rocks and the waves are a nice touch to this place, entry. Hopefully I'll learn something about the history of this place. But maybe not. I might just zone out and not pay attention. Hopefully I won't. Where is this reserve? If it exists. I know that the ferries come here, but I'm not sure where they land. I think this might be it. Straight ahead. Is this the Barangaroo Reserve? Right? This right here? Oh, okay. Thanks. I think this is it. These rocks right here. Wow. Excuse me, ma'am. Is this Barangaroo? You don't know? Oh, okay. I guess nobody knows. Well, you know what? I think I'm done looking. I think I'm done looking for this imaginary reserve. I don't know if that was the right one. I have to go and research that a little bit to see where it actually is or if that was it. But I'm pretty sure that was it. All right. I'm signing off. I'll see you guys later.